First warning weather with meteorologist Tommy House.
Well, today was a seasonably hot Central Texas afternoon. High temperature at Camp Mabry, 97. Normal high 95. Far away from that record of 108 degrees. Sunset will be coming up at 8:37. Looking at the rainfall almanac, still no rain today, but looking at the June and yearly totals, we're in a surplus, almost 3 inches for the month of June. We got over 6 inches of rain for the month. Just tremendous numbers for 2026 to date. Still in that bonus, about 9/10 of an inch of rain above normal. So that's also a great trend in the right direction. All right, here's the Indeed domain tower. There's Q2, got a couple of drivers wrapping up their commuting in a hazy sky. Blue sky, maybe a cloud here and there, but you will notice a difference in terms of the vibrant sky that we typically see. The Saharan dust is limiting that. Saharan dust is a very normal thing during the tropic season, peaking late June through August. Every 3 to 5 days, this plume works off the African coast, carried by trade winds, and sometimes can get steered into the Lone Star State. Around 2.5 miles is the thickness of the plume, and sometimes it mixes down to the surface, meaning that our respiratory air is definitely reduced, the visibility is reduced, and it causes that unhealthy air quality. So the dust right overhead, you can see the vibrant yellow indicating the thickness of that dust. Should eventually clear out by tomorrow afternoon. Still some haze, but today was certainly the worst day in terms of air quality. Here's your downtown evening forecast from the 90s to the 80s. Still feeling like near triple digits, though. Definitely warm if you're going to be out and about for any sort of outdoor reservations. Tonight cooling down to the upper 70s, winds out of the south, and then we'll see some of those clouds work in. So here's your day planner. By noon, we'll go from a mostly cloudy sky to some clouds to, just like today, a lot more blue sky, 70s, 80s, and then the mid-90s. So 96 for a high temp. Winds could also gust up to around 30 miles per hour at times. You can find your county number here, 95 in Bastrop, Lockhart, 96 in Llano. Again, this is seasonable. This isn't anything out of the ordinary. High pressure ridge continues to stay to our east, which has given us more moisture. Eventually, though, by the 4th of July, that ridge retreats right over the Lone Star State. What that's going to do, gradually warm our high temp near triple digits by Sunday and Monday. Our average first triple digit day, we haven't hit it yet, is July 4th, so that would be Saturday. So right on par. I mean, this is nothing that is extreme heat. There's no alerts. This is just, if you've lived in Texas, you know, it gets like this and it stays like this. A 10% rain chance from a quick shower that would be east of I-35. Right now, clouds and radar, nothing closer to home. Let's quickly work through the overnight. Here's 6 a.m. for your Tuesday. There's the cloud covered blue sky. And see these little pop-up showers? They form on the coast and then work north and west. That would be what we're watching every day, but I guarantee you most, if not all, not seeing any sort of action there. High temps in the 90s and lows will be in the 70s.